An earthquake has been detected in North Korea triggering fear that Pyongyang has conducted another nuclear test. According to the China's earthquake administration, the earthquake measured 6.3 magnitude. The administration said there had been a massive explosion, suggesting that North Korea had carried out its sixth nuclear test. Another estimate said the earthquake was 5.2 magnitude. The authority in Seoul also said they believe Kim Jong-un regime may have performed a nuclear test. Only a few hours earlier, North Korea has escalated tension with a claim that it has developed a more advanced nuclear weapon with great destructive power capable of fitting on an intercontinental ballistic missile. The official North Korean news agency, KCNA, said the hydrogen bomb was inspected by Kim Jong-un. Picture show Kim in black suit examining a metal casing with two bolts. It was a thermonuclear weapon with super explosive power made by our own effort and technology. KCNA said, with the agency adding that all components of the bomb were 100% domestically made. Some have questioned whether Pyongyang has a working bomb, but earlier this month, U.S. intelligence is understood to have concluded that the rogue state has had produced a miniaturized nuclear warhead that could fit inside an ICBM. In January last year, Pyongyang boasted that it had carried out a successful underground test of a miniaturized hydrogen bomb. However, Western analysts dismissed the claim, saying the 6 kiloton yield was too low for a thermonuclear device. If North Korea's claims are true, the ability to mount a warhead on a missile would be seen as a significant escalation, creating a risk that it was preparing for an attack. The announcement came after a series of tests by the North Korean regime, including one which saw a missile fly over Japan. Earlier this month, Pyongyang said it was carefully examining a plan to strike the U.S. territory of Guam with missiles. Donald Trump warned that if the regime did so, it would be met with fire and fury like the world has never seen. At the same time, the U.S. has agreed to revise a treaty capping the development of South Korea's ballistic missile. Following Pyongyang's announcement, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe spoke with Donald Trump by phone and said that in face of an escalating situation with North Korea, that close cooperation between their countries, South Korea and China was needed. 623 Another nuclear test unacceptable, said Shinzo Abe. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe said a sixth nuclear test by Pyongyang would be absolutely unacceptable. After a 6.3 magnitude explosion in the north indicate a new detonation, Japanese PM Shinzo Abe credit Akio Bloomberg if it forcibly conduct a nuclear test. It's absolutely unacceptable. We have to strongly protest it. Abe said, there is a possibility that this is not a natural quake and that North Korea conduct a nuclear test. He said, adding that the Japanese weather agency detect a seismic wave, 619 latest earthquake far bigger than that which accompanied September 2016 test. Nicholas Smith report the U.S. Geological Survey said it had recorded a magnitude 6.3 earthquake. After initially assessing it to be 5.1, if the magnitude stay at 5.2, this would be the same size as the Kim 5 in September 2016, which was a few tens of kilotons. 1. JEFFIEWILESATAIMSCONTROLWONKSVPTEMBER 3 2017 6.3 magnitude quake would be 10 times as powerful as the one triggered by the North September 2016 nuclear test, which triggered a 5.3 strength earthquake, and had an estimated yield of about 10 kilotons. According to Jeffrey Lewis, director of the East Asia Non-Proliferation Program at the Middlebury Institute of International Studies in California, a magnitude 6.3 explosion would likely mean an explosive power of around a megaton. That would be a state thermonuclear weapon. He said on Twitter, 612 South Korean forces on high alert. Julian Rao in Tokyo has the latest from Seoul. South Korea has ordered all its military forces to a state of high alert, according to Yonhap News, with Seoul Joint Chief of Staff announcing that the magnitude 5.6 artificial earthquake recorded in North Korea at around 1,220 local time is presumed to have been an underground nuclear test. 559 location of the earthquake. 554 South Korea holding National Security Council meeting. Seoul is scrambling to get information about the explosion. The country National Security Council is meeting. Agreement was reached between Donald Trump and his South Korean counterpart, President Moon Jae-in, as Washington sought to boost South Korea's ability to defend itself against its northern neighbor. 545 Amsinur reporting epicenter close to site of previous nuclear test strong shallow earthquake struck the Democratic People's Republic of Korea DPRK on Sunday, triggering suspicion that it might be caused by explosion. In its latest update, the U.S. Geological Survey reported that the tremor happened at an magnitude 6.3 magnitude, with an epicenter 24 km east northeast of Sanjibar and 0 km deep. The institution noted that it might be caused by explosion and that its epicenter was located near the site where the DPRK detonated nuclear explosion in the past. The China Earthquake Network Center also placed the magnitude at 6.3 and the depth of its epicenter at 0 km, and noted that explosion was suspect. In the wake of the earthquake, South Korean President Moon Jae-in called an emergency meeting of the National Security Council. 526 earthquake was artificial. South Korea's military said the 5.6 quake in North Korea was artificial, and is analyzing if it was a nuclear test.